signature dayon 350 each. If isa ka yung palit 350 dayon, makasave ka o mag-ibaligin ako na sa mga bundle for only 500 pesos.
So, ma'am, thank you for that perfume. Your perfume is very smooth, very demure. So, I get one for 350. So, it's a payment, ma'am.
Thank you, sir, for purchasing my product. Go!
KG Perfume Signature. Buy now. Di mo mag-buy, ani, humot pa, mas lami pa ang perfume. Anak!